Yeah.
Surface contact on a traditional caster is whatever your carbide length is, right?
Yeah, right. That's
So
right. Yeah.
The difference with these is that actually it holds the ski.
That's
your keel
awesome.
and your carbide gets suspended in the channel inside the platform. Okay.
Oh, nice.
So they're all three are the same.
All three are the same. The only thing that's
Nice.
different is the rubber feature.
Yeah.
So this is the track feature. So that sits perpendicular to the track, and when you lock your parking brake, your
The
lugs,
studs go in there.
Your
lugs.
integrate with these ridges.
That's
right?
nice.
So the front ones are smoother.
Yeah.
And that way, if you roll the sled out to a trailer, you can literally undo your ski straps and drive off the wheels right into the trailer.
That is awesome.
Right? So that's another thing when you're talking about pavement protection, concrete protection, all that kind of stuff, not damaging things. This setup is by far going to change how everything happens.
That's a ski one.
That's the ski dolly, right?
Yeah, cool. And look at the area. So even if you had a shaper bar, you know, it would fit right down in there.
Up to a 2.5 inch deep keel.
Yeah, yeah. Like the Koala Pieces Trek would fit in there. The two keel. Yeah. No problem at all.
Curve XS skis.
Oh yeah, the Curve XS would go on those.
Yeah, so it's
CNA.
wide enough up to an 11-inch ski.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's wild.
Wide enough to an 11-inch
I love those. Those are dynamite.
And the straps on them are great too.
Yeah. These are cool too.
The SledWheels, so that's our fully drivable kit.
Yeah.
So we do have a 2-pack available, so you can get just the ski platform, and you can use these, and then the Trax wheel. So that one's a little bit more robust.
Yeah.
It's powder coated aluminum, but the difference with that one is it actually sits up in the lugs. It sits on the rails of the track, right?
Nice.
So it's a lot.
Oh wow.
Oh yeah. Wow. Look at that.
So that accommodates 252, 286, 3 and 3.5 inch pitch, studded, pre-studded, non-studded.
Yeah.
Okay?
Right on.
But yeah, this is way more robust than those.
Yeah. Definitely.
But what you can do is you can pair some of these things together. Right?
Oh yeah.
So
Use the fronts, that, or
Yep.
yeah,
You
vice
can mix and
versa.
match, right?
Yeah.
So we sell just the skis, or like just the ski dollies. So if you have the drivable kit with this, then you still have your 360 cast set, right?
Love it. Yeah, cool. And you can check them out at caliberproductsinc.com.
Sure can.
Yeah.
Productsinc.com.
Thanks, bud.
Yeah, very well.
Appreciate that. We'll chat soon. Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you.